1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 10 times 8 is 80.